Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Long time no video. I got my Kinsley's Doodle Box today in the mail, so I thought I would share it with you. I'm on the GoPro. I'm having camera issues. So let's go ahead and get this started. Here is my box. Don't mind I am on my bed because everybody seems to have a room occupied. So here is my box for May. Look at this. How exciting. Exciting, exciting. Okay, so it comes in this plastic box, storage box. Let me go ahead and open it. I'm sorry, this may be a little funny because it's on the GoPro. And of course, I open it upside down because I'm awesome like that. Ooh, this month we get some stickers, alpha stickers. 160 piece. And then here is the card that comes in the box. I love the blues and the greens. They're so pretty. And it says, relax, life is good. And then we get some paper flowers this month. This is a floral embellishment. Let me take those out real quick. And there they are. So pretty. So pretty. Okay, and then we get their washi. You probably hear my son in the background. And here are some die cuts. Sorry, I'm trying to do this kind of fast. They're like, oh, I think these are already, let me see. Oh, they are. They're already got the sticky on the back. And they're paper, but they look like the chalkboard. And then there's this one. And then Everyday Simplicity. Okay, so there's those. And then here's some more exclusive die cuts. So here's, I always use these to make my place markers for my planners. We got some notebook. I don't know how good you guys can see this. Not that one. And these are like pieces of torn out ledger paper. I don't know how good you can see that. I'm sorry. Clothesline. Those are cute. Bushel of flowers. And these are like, they look like baby's breath. And there's this one. And a butterfly. Sorry, I thought it died. Oh, and I love this paper pad. It is so cute. It's like little notebook paper. Love it. And then here are the sticker sheets. And there's this one. And these. Oh, they're so pretty. I love the colors. And the boxes. And then this is the labels for the storage system for like your extras. And then the paper pack. Let's see if I can get this one open. Maybe. Ah, okay. I always struggled to get it open. Alright, so here, this is the vellum piece. Oh, I love the mason jars. Oh, cool. That's another vellum. Oh, and another vellum. It says laundry, 25 cents. I love it. Love, love, love the color schemes. Here's some yellow, and they are double-sided. So that's, you get 2 of those. And so this is what the front looks like, and this is the back. And the same with these. There's the front, and there's the back. This time around, I'm not seeing the acetate. Maybe, I don't know if that's something that they're continuing to do or just didn't get one this month. But that is the Doodle Box for May. Kind of do a little pan here. Don't mind my jacket over there. I can't wait to get May done in my planner. Make sure you keep a lookout for that video. It'll be coming soon. I'll show you how I do my dividers and decorate them and all of that. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and make sure that you like, subscribe, and share. We'll talk to you next time. Bye.